slipping from my grasp. I love everything about you. Everything about you. I love everything about you. I love everything about you. Everything about you. I love everything about you. I can't explain the way you make me feel. I feel so good inside. Every time I close my eyes, it's like you're with me all the time. You're the boat and I'm the captain, but I feel so lost at sea. I can't tell if I'm myself. I know you gotta hold on and stay with me.
Minutes to 11. Go on at your room. Hello, good evening. Yeah man, I know him. Him yard. Yeah man. Everything alright man. Don't know what things go already. Yeah man, go on. Will you stand over me for so? Huh? Me don't like it when people stand over me and just not say nothing, you know. Go on, go sleep.
But him did just say him now.
Michael?
Why are you not in school? Daddy? Daddy?
Why baby this one cream? Tough my girl. Look here, Mikey gets sick. You not go to school today.
Mommy, exams soon start.
Look here, you feel me picnic. And if me say you not go to school, you not go to school. You hear?
Probably just gas. You yam too much last night.
You cook the food. But you a lot of work.
What you want? Me can tape the next Reggae ball match? Or a Gunners match?
Dear, you're alright for now.
And Nanny, there's so much food. What me have to get so much food for? If you did got coronation Saturday.
Go on, go get the food. And stop complaining. Jesus, Father. I can't get that at moment's rest in my one yard. Sure. Oh, and get a bottle of white rum. Why it's finishing so fast?
Sister. Greetings, Empress Janelle. So what's up? Why not in school today?
Michael gets sick. You see that last night?
Yeah, not a day, but you never come around yard. Gerald, Ebenezer, Marissa, go on, buddy. So you say you're ready for your sibling party tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah.
You're mad. You sure you know my parents?
Come now, Janelle. Someone bridging them have a little album release party. Jamaican hip hop, you gonna rate it.
Yeah.
You're not getting nothing like this pan fame.
Maybe zip, especially after tonight, trust me. Nelly, come on, man. You know that the longer than you know. Once him know say you're power with me, everything Chris.
Janela ako.
She's too young.
Tell me so we can do.
Alright. So, look at me on the landline here. When I start out everything, just link me. Still have my cell number? Where are you to?
The bus?
No, sis. Go drop your home. Go on.
Did you roll with that? Okay. And stush Jenny there. You know, say, Jerry, he having fault like any other teenager, but overall, he's a good man. But you see that little sister? She no use you know. She go on like she better than we. What makes you try disrespect you in front of me? A thump, she go get thump. Anyway, so, I did know that? As my church group is coming.
So fast, life keeps moving, oh so fast, while searching for the room that grow, that answer slipping from my grasp.
Whoa, Nelly. You have me up, Queen? Come on. You vexing me? Yeah? Nelly, Nelly. You don't vex. Look. Okay. Too lying, man. Take it before Michael come. I'm gonna bring nothing for him and I'm gonna go vex with me.
Me can go tonight with me?
Ask your father.
Me did ask him already. Him say yeah. Well then,
But wait, how you gonna reach, Jenny?
Gerald will come for me.
Okay. With the little sush girl? No, sir. You have school tomorrow.
But mommy, she not parried way. And if me never go to school today.
Halloween, why not make the girl go out and have some fun? You know, say Jerry now make nothing, I'm tired.
Well, if I don't see you in your bed by 10, you're not left here again until upper 6, you know? Remember me tell you.
You happy now, Queen? Boy, if you have a nanny and a Nelly. What happened to you? You them say our great grand picnic.
Wait, you don't see it? A pure maroon blood in my body, you know. Up on my cheekbone them.
You don't feel her in her face. But you have the same face, the character.
I don't face to that. A warrior that. Not true, Janelle.
Hello, good night.
Yo, it's Jerry.
It's me, Jenny. Y'all come for me tonight?
King.
Who get that?
Daddy.
When?
Today.
Check it before Michael come. I'm gonna bring nothing for him when I'm gonna vex you.
Where going? I could come in the Johnny.
You're too young.
Hello, good night. Is this the Harrison residence?
Yes, ma'am. Come and sit here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Focus, nigga. Stay with me. Try to peep the vibe. We could touch a lot of places right now. I ain't talking on the body. I'm talking in the streets. From K6 to Springtown, he gets money. From K6 to Breakdown, it ain't fun. From K6 to Gallaville, we keep it real. From K6 to Corville, they keep it still. From K6 to St.
Reggie, you know, say this is just smoke weed, man. What is you really influenced her? Yo, my eat all white room shabby so. How you not say? Hold on, I add something to this. I want to dash in the kid. Try this. Say like.
This one's for the youth, them. Don't miss, don't kick, don't punch, don't bruise them. This one's for the youth, them. More love, more try, more eyes, more use them. This one's for the youth, them. Don't miss, don't kick, don't punch, don't bruise them. This one's for the youth, them. No, yeah. More life, more try for the youth, them. Blaze all the chalice and pass to the youth, them. Hypocrite, not for stay far from the youth, them. Said a week could have never par with the youth, them. You must not war with the youth, them. Talk about job, SLR for the youth, them. Tell you what, let us stay far from the youth, them. Poor lightning strike all the youth, them. Come just bring peace for the youth, them. Inside the house or the streets for the youth, them. We not free, not bleach out the youth, them. We just a see, teach out the youth, them. It's music. She gets jealous when I'm chilling with my niggas. Said you want quality time. Beautiful music. She said I'm always on the grind. It's music. Said she wants all of my time. Beautiful music. Why you gotta overstand? I'm doing this for us. I got future plans. I'm doing this for us. The way before.
Janelle, wait no. What?
Hit the fucking fronts. How could you think otherwise? Girl, use my therapy.
Then where y'all go?
That overstands me. For all my aches and pains.
What the hell me gonna tell that is, eh?
Music till I'm under the cemetery. Music's my
Janelle, wait no.
she's my life.
What?
Been there through all my struggles
I
and
don't
stripes.
face to
Been
that.
a no legs.
A warrior that. Not true, Janelle. Not true, Janelle.
Queen Janelle, you rate jazz?
I don't know him. Him come from far.
So they name that music. A jazz it name.
Everything alright, Queen? You good? Hush.
Thanks, yeah, Malaka.
Yeah man, no worries.
You can hold on to your TV for a while.
You know easy. Gas price up on high status and I just carry from Crossroads. Joke me a joke. Go on take it. Some of my brethren them did make the album. I have like 15 copies backyard. Next time I see you, me give a CD with all them Monty Alexander, Johnny Clark, Ernest Ranglin, them man them. Jamaican, you know? For jazz and rockers, mad.
Little girl, you know see the rascal time.